it's done. Your beverage is ready.
Thank you. And it even has ice. Vending machines are our friends. I feel so urban-esque.
What is around this corner? Oh, looky here. We have a wood coaster and a giant drop and a Ferris wheel.
Ooh, this is a good one.
Yeah, this is a really good one. I was like, oh my god, why is it?
This reminds me of Kentucky Kingdoms.
Yeah, this is, I bet you it's the same size.
Yeah.
About 170 feet.
Yeah. This reminds me of Big Drop, I think. I think we're the only people here.
I think so too. I saw a couple other people playing games.
Oh! It gets to that point where it's like, okay, it's to be.
The camera went sideways.
Well, it's our second day, and it's raining. So
The second day.
we have ridden the drop tower, and now we're in a very cramped hot Ferris wheel.
We don't even fit in the thing.
Bonding very well.
See if you can stick your camera through the hole.
Yeah.
Rotating sauna.
Oh, Jesus.
We're not even like 1/4 of the way up and we're already melted.
I know, it's going to be a hot one.
We had to open up that. We opened up that. We opened up that. We opened up that.
We have really holes. I know what it is. I'm going to have to close my eyes.
Oh, you don't like these? Do you really?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I can tell by how the answer's going down. Oh my god!
I can't watch.
Oh, this is. Oh my god, don't look sideways. Holy shit, I'm falling over. Oh. Okay, wait, what's going on? Oh, it's going the other way. Watch out, guys.
No, it's over.
It's done.
Did you close your eyes? Still raining.
Rain.
What happened, Matt? What did you just try to order?
A corn dog. But it smells like ass. I don't think it's a hot dog.
Go. Dig in.
Try it.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think. Fries are tasty. I think it's sausage.
What is it?
I don't know.
Does it taste like your dog's ass too? What do you got?
Are you gonna finish it?
No. Shit. Shit.
She just took my candy. That was cool, huh?
Where's she?
She's right in front of me. Isn't that her?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
We're in a very magical place.
You're very giddy.
People in America can never bitch about the price for parking. To park your car here for the day, $20.
Let's just take a bus then.
That's $45.
And it looks like it's raining, but stuff will be open.
I don't fucking care.
I haven't seen you look this happy since you saw that cemetery out the window.
No.
Jim, how was our day at Disney Sea?
Fabulous.
What did we do? What did we accomplish?
See our eyes?
Yeah.
We did the entire park in 4 hours. Multiple.
What was the best attraction? What did you think was the best?
I can't remember the name of it, but it's the one that you did a couple more times while I took pictures.
Journey to the Center, or
Yeah, or Lost to
Some of the-
Atlantis, or
Yeah.
Found in the Rocks, or Crevice with the Beast and the cool ass lightning bolts, and yeah, it's a good enough park. Not an aquarium. I spy Stitch. I spy Bambi. I spy Minnie. Cinderella. We got buses over there. Oh, that's nice.
What do we got here, guys?
I don't know, it's not in English. It's the first ticket I've had non-English. They give me English.
It's our first bullet train, Matt, huh? Jim, this is our amazing race. This is us trying out.
This is our trial period. This can be our, we gotta do a video.
I know, somewhere on this trip. We just gotta find out the prime location for it.
Are you gonna eat meat?
Huh?
Are you gonna eat meat if we have to?
Yes, I would.
Okay. We can do it. We'll win.
If it's that big slab of meat, we're taking a penalty.
I gave Matt a seat facing us. Face off style. No, the train's splitting. We're stopping. One of them's going to where we want to go. One of them's going where we can go.
Right.
And Matt is going to ask to see if we can get on the train to go where we want to go. That's booked.
They're very organized.
Yeah.
They all move up. One gets one and they just all move up.
What a taxi. Because we missed our bus.
We just missed our bus.
Oh my god. The scramble coaster or scrambler?
A scramble, I think.
Okay.
I think it's more of how we're concocted in these cars.
Is it violent?
No, it's fun as hell. It's just so weirdly uncomfortable. You can't move at all. Like,
I guess not.
If you try to move your body, you won't be able to.
It is weird.
I like that one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Good.
Australia.
Australia? Okay. It's the jet coaster.
What's a jet coaster?
America!
Oh my god!
Indians and funny looking dogs.
Matt got a water, I got an orange drink, and Jim, what did you get?
Some strawberry thing.
Some's not gonna work. You're gonna be missing a lot of your drink, dude. That short of straw is
You're a magician! Holy crapola!
There's 2 people down there. And there's 3 of us.
3 other girls
So
earlier down here, and I don't think they were employees, but they might have been.
So what's that mean?
That means there's about, let me do math.
8.
Yeah, thank you. 8 people in the park,
Including us.
including us.
Oh, it's freezing! I want out! Oh.
I swirled. Yeah, that's the exit, isn't it?
Boy, I'm glad we got a ride to warm us up.
Oh my god, that was so cold.
No, it was so cold. We were not ready for that. I needed my thermal underwear.
Seriously. I was like, my arm almost stopped going in there.
Like halfway through we were
That
running
was
through.
the craziest thing I have ever experienced in a park, in a walkthrough attraction.
Yeah.
Ice World.
Yeah.
Minus 20. I thought it was some sort of like
Was it-
simulator.
Minus 20 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Just a little video update here. Matt Lena World, as you can see that. Paso no no diba. Paso no no diba. Oh, that was a bad visual. Wait.
Sendai.
What'd you say? It looks cool, huh?
You gotta understand, man, I was planning on eating fries here. I was not planning on eating any food that I was customarily normal to or anything. Yet did I think I'd find a food for dessert.
That I owe the most and I didn't get a dessert.
Here we go, guys.
$5 for one orange juice? And I had 2 of them?
You didn't read the price before you got it?
Oh, I thought it was orange juice. I thought it would be like one of the cheapest things on there.
Denny's, bitch.
Day, what is this, 4? Yeah. Day 4. We're in Sendai, whatever. And I almost bought a video camera last night.
I was saying, we're so out of touch because people back home are afraid that we're going to die in this typhoon. And we have no idea that there's a typhoon here.
No indication, no warning signs, nothing. But what
There
is
are, but it's in
we've been
Japanese.
seeing
But what does it look like? It looks like it's gonna miss us?
No.
No?
No.
What happened? Yeah, what happened, Matt? Go ahead.
I don't know. It exploded on me. I don't even know what it is.
It's butter.
Can you speak Japanese?
Skoshi.
そしたら今日台風があるからジェットコースターとか中止してるからなんちゅうことからね Today wind is strong.
Okay, believe it or not, they're escorting us to these rides. Everything's closed because of rain and wind, because the typhoon is coming. But I think we're gonna have some luck here. They're being very, very cool. The student in green pants speaks some English, Matt speaks some Japanese, and we're gonna figure out what's going on. Unfreaking believable. They're actually getting ready to open this ride for us. Can you believe it? These are the nicest people I've ever met in my entire life.
This place is just unreal. I mean, like, we're the only ones here, number one. They picked us up at the train station in their minivan.
Free.
Then they are opening each ride for us, one by one. When they're not even supposed to be open.
Thank you.
After they told us that we couldn't get on the Mad Mouse because the brakes didn't work, they're opening it up for us, even though it is raining still.
Here we are in the van again.
Yep, I'm not crying anymore. I'm good. Sorry, guys.
First. Every day's been a first or something.
It has. It's the first time I've cried on a trip ever.
What's that?
Never cried on a trip before. Especially when I was riding coasters and getting ready to get on one. Never.